Which of the following is not responsible for reporting adverse drug events? Is it pharmacist and physician, manufacturer, consumer, regulatory authorities? The correct answer is regulatory authorities. They receive, collect, and analyze adverse drug event reports. However, they do not create or generate these reports themselves. Time-dependent dilatant behavior is known as thixotrophy, rheopexy, rheomalaxis, plastic. The correct answer is rheopexy. Chairman of DTABAs, Health Minister of India, Director General of Health Services, Drug Controller of India, President of AICTE. The correct answer is option B, Director General of Health Services. Plasmodesmata is lignified element, vascular element, very fine protoplasmic thread. None. The correct answer is C, very fine protoplasmic thread. Plasmodesmata, singular, plasmodesma, are microscopic channels that traverse the cell walls of plant cells and some algal cells, enabling transport and communication between them. Efficiency of drug is checked in modest population in. Options are A, clinical trial phase 1, B, clinical trial phase 2, C, clinical trial phase 3, D, clinical trial phase 4. The correct answer is B, clinical trial phase 2. Phase 2, efficiency, efficacy. This is where the drug is tested on a modest population, 100 to 300, of patients who actually have the condition the drug is intended to treat. Which of the following statements is correct for gram-positive bacteria? Cell wall has a thin peptidoglycan layer. Cell wall lipid content is very low and smaller volume of periplasm. Lipopolysaccharide layer is present. Teichoic acid is present. The correct answer is cell wall lipid content is very low and smaller volume of periplasm. This is accurate. Gram-positive cell walls contain minimal lipid and have a very reduced periplasmic space. The terms upper consolate temperature and lower consolate temperature are related to which phenomenon? A, cloud point, B, critical solution temperature, C, Crafter point, D, phase inversion. The correct answer is B, critical solution temperature, as it refers to the temperature at which two partially miscible liquids become completely miscible in all proportions. The upper and lower consolute temperatures are the specific points on a phase diagram where this transition occurs, marking the boundaries between single-phase and two-phase systems. Which one of the following is a solid dosage form excipient which can play the role of a diluent, a disintegrant, a glidant, a lubricant and a pore channel former? A, lactose, B, microcrystalline cellulose, C, ethyl cellulose, D, Eudragit RL100. Correct answer is B, microcrystalline cellulose. It is a multifunctional excipient that can act as a diluent, disintegrant, glidant, and even exhibit lubricant-like and pore-forming properties. Other options like lactose, ethyl cellulose, and Eudragit RL100 have more limited, specific roles. What is the required floor area for running a pharmacy for wholesale or distribution? A, 6 SQ meters. B, 10 SQ meters. C, 15 SQ meters. D, 30 SQ meters. The correct answer is option C, 15 SQ meters. As per the Drugs and Cosmetics Rules, 1945, a minimum of 15 square meters is required for wholesale distribution pharmacies. This ensures adequate storage, handling, and regulatory compliance for drug safety. Bioavailability differences among drugs' oral formulations are most likely to occur if it A, is freely water-soluble, B, is incompletely absorbed, C, is completely absorbed, D, undergoes little first-pass metabolism. Correct answer, B, is incompletely absorbed. When a drug is incompletely absorbed, formulation factors, like dissolution and permeability, significantly affect the extent of absorption. Hence, different formulations can show marked bioavailability differences. What strategy of drug design is frequently used on complex lead compounds derived from natural products? A, extension, B, simplification, C, rigidification, D, conformational block. Correct answer, B, simplification. Complex natural products are often simplified to retain the essential pharmacophore while reducing structural complexity. This improves synthesis, stability, and drug-like properties without losing activity. Like, share, and subscribe to Sharvana's Knowledge Hub for more useful learning content. Stay connected and keep growing with us every day. Thanks for watching.